Hello and welcome all my beautiful friends in my another episode. Me, your friend Madhulina. And today you can see I have created this look for all of you. Now you will ask why I have created this look. So more or less we all have flight experience, right? And when you will enter on the board, first there you can see few pretty ladies are standing just to greet you and welcome you on board. They are called cabin crew. We all know about that. But they are extremely presentable and they groomed themselves very well. The way they look, it is really presentable. And sometimes this look we also want to achieve. Now let me tell you, cabin crew looks matters on the airlines. I am not from airline industry, but as much I came to know from my friends, they told me different airlines had different makeup instruction and also their dress code. We can see Indigo has a blue dress code. We have seen Jet Airways, sometimes they wear yellow and sometimes they wear black, and Indian Airlines they wear sari. So lots of different dress code we can see when we enter to the airport. But the most important thing what attracts us first, that is the way they present and the grooming of those cabin crew. Now let me tell you, this grooming is not only for the cabin crew professional. Cabin crew is the most high profile job, but that look they carry, you can carry that same look on different industry also. Now let me tell you, this is a corporate look. Right now what I am wearing, this is a corporate look. You can carry this look for your cabin crew interview. You can carry this look for your hotel interview if you are from a hotel industry, if you are going for an interview, and you can carry this look. And also you can carry the same look for any corporate interview. Now you can ask me, this look, isn't it too much heavy for an interview? Then I will tell you two things. First, if you are a cabin crew, you already have taken some training also from an institute or from the airline where you are joining. They will tell you what makeup you have to wear because they have a certain instruction. But most of the cabin crew wear this kind of light makeup. As you can see, I have a very light eyes. I have used only a liquid eyeliner. There is no kajal I have used, and red lips, and I have not applied heavy makeup on my face. I am looking natural, but it is bold. This same look you can carry for your hotel management or hotel industry also. Right, now you can ask me, is it okay with the red lips? Am I applicable to go for a corporate industry interview like I am for a IT interview or for a peer interview? Then I will tell you, you can do one thing. The lip is here I am using. This is red color. But if you are going for another peer interview or something like a high profile corporate job, for that interview, you just change your lipstick. Here I am using the red lipstick. There you can use light pink or the nude color. This is the difference. But the main point is, this look is completely applicable for the cabin crew interview, for the hotel management interview, and for the corporate interview as well. But makeup will not help you to crack the interview. The main thing what will help you to crack that interview is your grooming, is your skill and your personality. The way you will present yourself on a mask, the way you present yourself in front of the interviewer, that will be the most important thing for you. When you are going for an interview, they will scan you from your head to toes. So you must have to look proper groomed and your personality should be like that. I want to do this job and I have that much guts inside me to crack this interview. So it is called, हिंदी में ऐसे बोलते हैं, पहले दर्शनधारी पीछे गुण बेचारी. Same thing, आपको देख के उसको पहले पता चलते हैं कि आप में कितना दम है. You make your hair clean. Here I have done a French twist. I cannot show it to you right now. I will do another episode how to do French twist. If you are going for a cabin crew interview, your airline will tell you what kind of dress you have to wear during interview, and the institute from where you will take your training, they will also suggest you to wear something. And if you're going for a hotel interview, then wear a trouser, black trouser, black coat, and inside white colored formal shirt, and always wear a belly or pump with heel. And if you're going for a corporate interview, you can wear trouser and any light colored formal shirt and same shoe what is applicable for the cabin crew and the hotel industry. So do not wait much. Let's start the video. On my moisturized face, I am using Blue Heaven primer. It is a silicone based primer. I will apply this primer all over my face and especially on my T-zone and oil zone area. Just rub it, don't rub it, just place it all over your face. Don't rub much, just apply it on a soft hand and it's done. For foundation, I am applying the Maybelline Super Stay foundation and my color is warm nude. This is a full coverage foundation and I will take just one pump of it, and one pump will be sufficient for my entire face and neck area. This is sufficient. To make it dewy, I will mix Maybelline Master Stroke Cream, and this is also a very pinch of amount I am taking. This will look warm and dewy on my face. Just make few dots on your face. I will not apply concealer today, so apply it all over your eyelids and your most pigmented area. I am applying so. And I would like to mention that the product I am using here, this all are affordable product and I have this much of product with me. You can use it according to your choice or your collection. I am just stippling it on my face. It's time to blend. And my makeup is already blended. Now I have to set it with some powder. Here I am using Maybelline Super Fresh powder to set my makeup. I will take a sponge applicator and will take the powder and will dab it all over my face just to set my foundation. It's done now. Now I will apply eyeshadow. Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette I am using. I will take the transition shade from the palette. This is the orangish transition shade. I will use this as my transition color first It will give my eyes a warm look, and with this flat brush I am taking this glittery silver color and will apply it on all over my eyelid so that my eyes will pop up. Just apply it on your lid area and your corners. Both the eyes are done. Now I will apply the same transition color on my lower lash line. Both the eyes I will apply it. And yes, eyeliner is the most important thing in this look. Here I am using Lakme liquid eyeliner. I will create a small winged liner with this. Eyes play a very important role in this look, so keep your eyeliner on. And to define my brows, I am using Music Flower gel eyeliner, as I always do. I will not go over the board with my brows. I will just fill the gaps what I have in my eyebrows. So here it is. I am using the black color as my eyebrow color is black, as you can see. I am just filling the gaps only. So my eyebrows are almost done. Now I can see my pigmented areas are still visible, and this will not look good. I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer for this pigmented areas to hide all the dark circles and the pigmentation. Few are visible, and this will not work good if your pigmented areas are shown during your cabin crew interview or hotel interview or any corporate interviews. Just hide it, not much, but a bit use and hide it. And I will blend it and will blend this with a small sponge applicator. That same sponge applicator, it is very soft to use, so I always prefer to blend my concealer with this applicator. And it's almost blended. Now I have to contour and highlight. For that I will use Nykaa Contour and Contour palette. This is the first time I'm using it. Let's see how is it on my face, how it works with my face. I'm using this flat brush. We'll take the highlighter first. We'll highlight my brow bone area with this flat brush. Both the brows. Oh, it's really nice. I can see the glitter right now. Now it's time to cut your face. No, I will not use any knife. I'm using that same Nykaa palette, Contour and Contour, and I'm taking the brown color from that. With the help of my eyeshadow brush, I'm doing this. Just make a pout and you will get a jawline there. You just have to cut it. And I have a very large forehead, so I need to cut it also. Blend, blend, blend. All this should be blended well. Please excuse my big nose. I will try to cut it with the same Contour and Contour palette, and I will take that brown color. No, I am not happy with my nose. It is too much big, yeah. And the contouring is already done. Now I will apply Sivina color blush palette to make a pinky cheek on my face. So I will take all the pink shades and the coral color from this palette. I will dab the excess amount and will apply on both my cheeks. And my cheeks are now looking pink, a very lovely pink it is looking. So my blush is already done. Now it is time to the most important and most loving part of my makeup, that is applying this illuminator, not illuminator, highlighter. I will use this all my highest point of my cheek. I'm using this for the first time. Let's see how it glow on my cheek. Oh, it's such a nice glow I am getting. And now after Sivana, I think Nykaa Contour and Conquer palette will be my one of the favorite highlighter. Love it. It's time to make your face glowy and dewy. My face is telling you how much I am in love with this Contour and Conquer palette. Now for Kajal, I am using this white color Miss Claire Glimmer Stick. No Kajal I will apply to pop up and look big. This white Kajal will work good. And for my mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Will apply that on both my eyelashes, upper and lower. I think I'm getting too much intense with my mascara, right? And my makeup is done now. Now set it with some fixing spray. Here I am using Blue Heaven makeup fixer. Just take a quick shower with this. Yeah, a quick shower I'm taking with this fixer. It's done. Now just dry it for a second and then dab it with a sponge so that all your makeup will get placed and will set on your face properly. Makeup is set now. Now time to apply your lipstick. Here I am using Miss Claire Glimmer Stick Red Lip Liner and Nykaa Matte Me to Lust Maharani collection. Red lip always look you bold. Draw your lip line first. After that, apply your lipstick. It is a matte lipstick, so it will not smudge. It is transfer proof also, so do not need to worry about that. It will stick on your lip for long. And my lipstick is also done. Here is the final look. I hope you all like it. Fly high. In this channel I share my recipes, my cooking recipes, and I love to do makeup also. I am not a makeup artist, but the look I carry, I try to share that with all of you. And let me tell you, this YouTube channel is totally free to subscribe. If you like to subscribe my channel, it will be free for all of you. So do not think further, just subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to get notified whenever I will upload any new video. And yes, do not forget to spread love among your friends and family. I love you all. Bye.